Only talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station, yes, at Jaden Chase. And we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, no man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Groundbreaking, record-breaking timing, viewers and subscribers. The Teacher's latest album to Tanisha, viewers and subscribers. Normally, we talk about the top 10 as if it start at 10. No, it actually start at 100 viewers and subscribers. And regular artist album have climb the charts. The Teacher no need no ladder. Based on pre-order sales and sales when people realize that the album dropped, viewers and subscribers catapulted it. The third, within minutes after jumping on the charts at 8. Within minutes it was third in Canada, 12 in the UK. Viewers and subscribers doing extremely well in North America. The Teacher, I'm telling you already, this album, while it might be an album geared specifically towards the ladies, viewers and subscribers, it is one definitely doing the numbers. And also, viewers and subscribers, showcase not only Vybz Kartel's versatility, because most of Gaza Nation know that, well-wishers know that, even the naysayers know of Vybz Kartel's lyrical versatility. But it also shows dancehall's versatility, viewers and subscribers. The different applications that dancehall can be added to, different styles that can be incorporated into dancehall music. Because nobody can tell me say these tracks are not dancehall. Nobody can tell me that. But listen to the flow, the melodies, listen to the beat, them viewers and subscribers. The Teacher of songs that could have locked down any charts. And me I point out this, where them said the album at top the charts, was it in the reggae category? No. The artist album has transcended that, and it atop the hip hop, rap and R&B charts, viewers and subscribers. This are the notoriety where dancehall search for in a 2020. All of the big name them they do it already, Remember say you're from Sizzler, Bounty, Beanie, Shabba, Super Cat them. All of them people that go overseas go make them mark in a world music, viewers and subscribers, and other superstars that acknowledge them and say yo, them man are superstar too. Viewers and subscribers, in this day and age, the achievements of hip-hop stars have dwarfed our dancehall artists and their achievements. We see even them after do the feature them to even keep current or get known. Remember the Shensia track with Tiger, viewers and subscribers. There's no doubt that the Tiger feature definitely help it. The Teacher no need no feature from no international artists to be recognized among them. Him no need no feature. Big up the Teacher, viewers and subscribers. To Tanisha, the album here. Me I tell you about the album here. Billboard have a spot feed. It book for Billboard viewers and subscribers. Me I tell you, it book for the Billboard. The Teacher Billboard can't hold 9 pocket again. The dollars are going to roll in, viewers and subscribers. The dollars will be rolling in. Remember iTunes, viewers and subscribers. That platform is a platform where the dollar figure count. You know what I mean? Yeah, you purchase tracks there. Whether for stream or for, you know what I mean? For up to your phone, add to your playlist, on your device. You know the something go. And for the Teacher album I top the charts, man, I have to say big up Gaza Nation and all of who are support the album, support the artists, I support the movement, and yes, I support the culture, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, me excited. I'm supposed to eat my bites. Early this morning we jump up and go to the early morning review upon the whole album. I couldn't know say the album dropped. You know what I mean? For those who never know, who go check it out. We know some people have that date them mark on them calendar. Whether upon them device or upon them actual calendar in them house. Some people have it to say, yo, that date the album gonna drop. Me a tune in feed. Big up all of who support the artists, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. The dancehall industry has been waiting on this album. Yes, and it there. And it do the numbers as expected, viewers and subscribers. iTunes charts have to tell you, say, yo, the way the artist song a jump, them have to have it on the main page. Them have to add it to the main page, viewers and subscribers. The artist song a do extremely well. Trending on Twitter in America. Everybody and them friend talk about the artist right now. Gaza Nation, yo, I tell them it's a Gaza month, viewers and subscribers. Some people say just Capricorn season, and not just Capricorn season. A Gaza month, viewers and subscribers, and it's also a reggae month too as well. You know what I mean? From this month until sometime in February will also be a reggae month. The teacher song, viewers and subscribers, these are the productions that we need. We need productions of this caliber. Yeah, man, we need people to put out big productions so the world can look to and say, yo, dancehall, man, will influence every other dominant sound right now, meaning say pop, rap, R&B, Bill Funk, Afrobeat. These are some of the most prominent art forms of music right now. And they are all directly, not indirectly, viewers, directly influenced by reggae and dancehall music. Directly, the producers them will tell you themselves, the artists themselves will tell you, say, yes, some of our favorite artists are dancehall and reggae artists. Some of our favorite songs are reggae and dancehall songs. You feel like people forget about Bob? You feel like Bob music stop inspire people? Bob Marley music still inspire people today. Because Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer same speed. You know the something go. Yes, and dancehall elders still influence the nation. No, people still listen to Tenasa. People still listen to Super Cat. You still have people who have them bigger than Jerry cassette, not CD. And them still play. When the sound them are sing up for the big dance, they may still hear them song they are play. The younger generation still know the sound. They might not really know the name of the artist, but them know the sound and they are still being influenced by it today. Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers are represent for modern day dancehall music. And I show them say the fusion sound is evident in a dancehall music, and dancehall music can stand up there with all the other big names. Are the big genres of music. We want our own category at the Grammys. We want our own category at the Grammys. And that's the thing there. You know what I mean? Reggae have a place. We want dancehall to get them own place, the viewers and subscribers. No doubt Afrobeat are gonna have them place at the Grammys, you know? And Bill Funk. And reggaeton. Because Daddy Yankee them win Grammy already. And a reggaeton music him do influenced by reggae and dancehall. It name reggaeton. We are telling me say, you don't hear the music when you don't listen to it. For those who have never listened to reggaeton, don't tell me say don't influenced by reggae and dancehall if you have never listened to it. What make you think boom tam 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 so big in a Jamaican? Because when we hear the flow, we are say we can relate to that style. It make you want to dance, it make you want to move. Dancehall and reggae influence based on their creativity as well. We're influenced by, no mean say yo, if I'm influenced by the teacher, I'm gonna drop a track, means I'm have to sound like the teacher. No, they feel like the teacher not influence Little Vybz and Little Addy. But when they hear them, they bring them own mark to music, don't it? Yes, I saw the something of viewers and subscribers. Exciting moment. First album for 2020 with the dancehall and reggae genre. First album. And look on the reaction, viewers and subscribers. Free the boss. Free the boss. But I feel like we forget. Free the boss. We need him a road. We need Vybz Kartel a road, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, we need the artists a road. We see all of what the artists have to bring to the table. As a matter of fact, you look at the artist and him bring the table itself. You come like the artist and him bring the table itself, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. The artist album a lock down iTunes. Quick recap. In all major continents, the artist album a lock iTunes. Yeah, man. The Billboard next, viewers and subscribers. I guarantee a Grammy for the album. Should the artist be released, the album will definitely be a Grammy nominated album for 2020. Even though a January now. Even though a January now. Remember that, viewers and subscribers. I now go around him. The teacher carve a lane for himself in our world music. I not talk about dancehall. I am not just referring to dancehall. The teacher is the king of the dancehall genre. We are talking about world music. Bob them, Jimmy Cliff them, Burning Spear them style. Yeah, man. The teacher do it, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jaden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. You know the something going for the new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you don't like the reasoning and of course you don't like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is only you will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Right there up on the platform, the like icon there as well. Drop a like on the blog from a like with your earbuds, a share on the blog too as well. You can do that from right here on the platform. Tell a friend for tell a friend for tell them sister and them brother them say the album drop. And Jaden Chase have reasoning power go on. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be mindful and respectful of the guidelines in the comment section. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. Up move settings, and we in the album no need a lot of viewers and subscribers. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.